In this video, I'll show how to clean the Technics earphones. Cleaning these earphones is not difficult at all and it helps keep the best audio quality. This is the EAH-AZxx model that I've had for some time. For the best sound, I clean the earpieces once a month or whenever they appear dirty. First, remove the earphones from its charging case. It is essential to remove the earpieces from the earphones before cleaning, otherwise you may damage the protective mesh on the earphones and affect the sound quality. To remove the earpieces, gently grab, twist, and pull them off the earphones. Then use a dry Q-tip to gently wipe the inside and outside of the earpieces to remove any earwax or dust. Next, take a small bowl, mix some warm water and a drop or two of mild dishwashing soap. Gently swish the earpieces around in the water to remove any particles. Wipe the inside and outside of the earpieces again with a dry cotton swab. If you still see some debris, repeat the soap bath and cleaning process. Once satisfied with the results, use a lint-free cloth to dab the earpieces dry. This will reduce any material getting caught onto the earpieces. Make sure you don't squeeze down the earpieces while doing this in order to avoid any damage to them. In order to clean the earphones, gently blow on the mesh to remove any debris and use the lint-free cloth to wipe around the mesh area. Do not use a cotton swab or cloth to wipe the mesh itself because the earwax or debris can get pushed inside the mesh, which may lead to poor audio quality. Once the earpieces are completely dry, attach them back onto the earphones and make sure they are properly placed. You will need to place some pressure while pushing the earpieces back onto the earphones. Next, place the earphones back into the charging cradle and the cleaning process is complete.